Hello everybody. Lately you've been seeing the vlogs, just me, my friends, with my wife, right? And it's been a long time that I've come out with my parents. Adikke ಇವತ್ತು we thought we'll come to a place which they would also enjoy. And ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ ಇರುವ super weather, absolutely complimenting. And this place is called Omkar Hills. I'll try to fetch more information about it, but the view is tremendously good, beautiful. This is where we entered from, and this is the way to the temple.
Yeah.
Once, way back in the days, mom had once visited this place. Apparently it was still not so constructed. Things are not in such orderly manner.
We'll catch up later. Let's visit the temple first. Chubika?
This place is absolutely calm, peaceful. Seems the concept of this particular temple is to enable one to get darshan of the 12 Jyotirlinga. One is this Somnath Jyotirlinga, which is in Saurashtra, Gujarat, and the Mallikarjun Jyotirlinga in Srishaila, that is Andhra Pradesh. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Omkareshwar Jyotirlinga in Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. The fifth is the Vaidyanath Jyotirling in Parali, Maharashtra. The Nageshwar Jyotirling in Gujarat again. The very famous Kedareshwar in Uttarakhand. Our very own Nasik, Maharashtra. The Triambakeshwar Jyotirling, Rameshwar in Tamil Nadu, where the Ram Setu is seen. There is Bhima Shankar in Dakini, Maharashtra. There is Vishweshwar Jyotirling in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. There is Girineshwar Jyotirling which is in Devgiri, Maharashtra again. This is the back side of the temple at the Gopuram. Taking the view, people. I'm sure you're gonna love it. We could not take you inside the temples because the photography was prohibited, and it is good to be that way, because probably these videos come to your light. Maybe you know, or you did not know about this place, and if you knew, you have never visited this place, at least you get encouraged to come over, visit this place.
Hi all, we are almost done with visiting the temple. And मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको कि मेरा feeling क्या है इस temple को visit करने के बाद. It is such a divine feeling to visit such a place within the city area. It's really nice. And I didn't know much about this temple, wherein अभी मुझे पता चला जब हम लोग आए थे यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग्स स्थापित है. एंड इट्स लाइक वन स्टॉप प्लेस. अगर किसी को होता है कि वो नहीं जा पाते सारे ज्योतिर्लिंग्स जितने भी हैं इंडिया में, यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट एक बार आके उनका दर्शन तो ज़रूर कर सकते हैं. एंड आई एम श्योर उनका उस चीज़ का पुण्य मिलेगा. ये मैं क्यों कह रही हूँ, क्योंकि जब हम ये मंदिर देख रहे थे वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था कि जितने भी ज्योतिर्लिंग हैं, हर एक ज्योतिर्लिंग के नीचे 1200 छोटे ज्योतिर्लिंग हैं जो 1 इंच के हैं. तो अगर आप इस मंदिर की परिक्रमा करते हैं तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आप 13,000 प्लस ज्योतिर्लिंग का परिक्रमा एक साथ में करते हैं. तो उसका तो डेफिनेटली बहुत फल मिलेगा जो भी इधर आएगा. तो एज अ फैमिली इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट प्लेस टू विज़िट. अगर आपके फैमिली में पूरी जनरेशन है, बड़े छोटे मोटे जो भी हैं, सबको लेके आइए, शिव जी का आशीर्वाद पाइए और खुश रहिए.